Continuation class. So last class లో మూమెంట్ జనరేటింగ్ ఫంక్షన్ లో మీన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసినాం, న్యూ అండ్ డాష్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసినాం. వేరియన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. mu2 dash is equal to d by dt square, d square by dt square of mx of t and t equal to 0. So mu2 dash and first derivation of d by dt of first derivation p power r and r into q and 1 minus q into e power t and minus r plus 1 and e power t into e power t. This term is constant. mu2 dash is equal to p power r and r into q d by dt of 1 minus q e power t and minus r plus 1 e power t. u and v method, uv method. mu2 dash is equal to p power r and r into q. We can write the 1 minus q into e power t minus r plus 1 into e power t plus e power t and e power t. You can write minus r plus 1 and 1 minus q into e power t minus r plus 2, and here minus of minus order the q into e plus e power t generate అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ కూడా మైనస్ జనరేట్ అవుతుంది, మైనస్ మైనస్ గెట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. p power r into q 1 minus q into e power t minus r plus 1 e power t plus e power t r plus 1 minus q into e power t and whole power minus r plus 2 t equal to 0, and here q into e power t, then t equal to 0. t equal to 0 substitute చేస్తే t equal to 0 substitute చేస్తే we can write p power r into q 1 minus q into e power 0 అంటే 1 అవుతుంది and minus r plus 1, and here e power 0 అంటే again 1 ఇక్కడ plus 1 r plus 1 into, you can write here also 1 minus q into 1 and minus r plus 2 and q generate అవుతుంది. Finally we will get the p power r into r cube 1 minus q and minus r plus 1 plus r plus 1 into 1 minus q r plus 2 into q is the remaining. P power r into r into q, and this is the 1 by 1 minus q అంటే p power minus r plus 1 plus r plus 1 into this is also p power minus r plus 2 into q. P power r into q, here 1 by p power r plus 1 plus r plus 1 1 by p power r plus 2 into q. P power r and 1 by p power r into p plus r plus 1 into q and whole power p power r into p power square and here the p power r get cancelled. Finally we'll get the r cube is equal to 1 by p plus r plus 1 q by p square. So you can write r cube by p plus r cube r into r plus 1 into q square by p square, and this is the mu 2 dash. Then find out the variance. Variance formula mu 2 is equal to mu 1 dash mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square. So mu 2 is equal to, we can write the r cube by p plus r into r plus 1 into q square by p square minus r cube by p whole square. And we can write r cube by p plus r square plus r and q square by p square minus r square q square and p square r cube by p plus r square q square and p square plus r into q square and p square minus r square and q square by p square get cancelled. Finally r cube by p plus r into q square by p square by p square, and we can common the term r cube by p is the common term, that is 1 minus q by p, 1 plus q by p, and r cube by p and q plus p by p, and finally r cube by p, 1 by p, and r cube by p square is the variance. Mean is r cube by p and variance is r cube by p square. This is all about the moment generating function and mean and variance. Next, characteristic function of negative binomial distribution. CF, characteristic function of negative binomial distribution. Characteristic function of negative binomial distribution x equals the NB r comma p. The PMF probability mass function of negative binomial distribution is given by P of x is equal to x plus r minus 1 cx p power r and q power x. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on. 0 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 1. Q equal to 1 minus p and q plus p is equal to 1. The characteristic function is given by phi x of t is equal to expectation of e power I dx. The formula phi x of t is equal to expectation of e power I dx equal to summation x equal to 0 to infinity e power I dx into p of x. Summation x equal to 0 to infinity e power I dx into x plus r minus 1 cx p power r and q power x. P power r and q power x. In this terminology, p power r is the constant. So p power r summation is equal to 0 to infinity e power I dx x plus r minus 1 cx and q power x. Finally, we can write e power r and summation x equal to 0 to infinity x plus r minus cx and q into e power it power x is the terminology. Then substitute summation. Let remove the summation. You can write p power r and 0 plus r minus 1 c0 and q into e power it power 0 plus 1 plus r minus 1 c1 and q into e power it power 1 plus so on. P power r and this value is, you can write 1 rc0 q into e power it whole power 0 and that means 1 plus rc1 and q into e power it power 1 plus rc2 q into e power it power 2 plus so on. Finally, we can write characteristic function pi of x of t is equal to pi x of t is equal to p power r and 1 minus q e power it power minus r is the characteristic function of a statement equation. Characteristic function యొక్క statement p power r 1 minus q into e power it whole power minus r. Then we want to find out the, ఎందుకంటే మనకు ఈ సిరీస్ అనేది 1 minus x whole power n గా జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. సో x ప్లేస్ లో we have a q into e power it and n place లో r. Then we want to find out the moments. Consider mu1 dash is equal to minus I d by dt of pi x of t and t equal to 0. mu1 dash is equal to minus I d by dt of p power r and 1 minus q into e power it of minus r. General గా p power r is the constant కాబట్టి బయట వచ్చేస్తుంది and p power r minus I d by dt of 1 minus q into e power it whole power minus r. can write p power r and minus I d by dt. So derivation చేస్తే ఇక్కడ you can write minus r 1 minus q into e power I t power minus r plus 1 minus of q into e power I t minus of q power t equal to 0, t equal to 0, t equal to 0. And again we get here I and t equal to 0. Generally e minus get cancel. అక్కడ I ఉంది కాబట్టి p power r and minus I square 1 minus q into e power I t minus r plus 1 and q into e power I t and t equal to 0. Minus of I square p power r 1 minus q into e power I t whole power minus r plus 1 q into e power I t and t equal to 0. Generally I square value is a minus 1 and minus 1, p power r and 1 minus q into e power I t whole power r minus r plus 1 and q into e power I t and t equal to 0. Then substitute t equal to 0 ఎందుకంటే ఇది ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. Minus of minus is a plus and p power r and 1 minus q whole power minus r plus 1 and q into e power 0. That means 1 p power r and 1 minus q whole power r plus 1 into q 1 minus q అంటే that is also p power r into p power r and into q. ఒక r ఉంది, ఇక్కడ r వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా r, ఇక్కడ కూడా r, ఇక్కడ కూడా r, ఇక్కడ కూడా r, ఇక్కడ కూడా r. సో p power r get cancel, ఇక్కడ 1 అవుతుంది. then r cube by p, this is the mu1 dash. The mu1 dash value, mu1 dash is equal to r cube by p and variance is homework.